Hey, this is Kyle. Today, let's get started with Io.js or Node.js. Now, the biggest difference that you're probably wondering is what's the difference between Node.js and Io.js? Well, Io.js is a fork of Node.js. Um, I won't get into the politics, but basically, I prefer Io.js right now because it's a little bit more maintained. So, anyways, so you can install whichever one you prefer by either going to nodejs.org or if you're going to use one I prefer, is iojs.org. So from here, you just select which one, depending on if you're on Windows or Mac, and you click and download the package. And once it has finished downloading it, open it up and walk through the steps to install. Once it has finished installing, you'll notice that it'll tell you where it has installed things. And you'll notice too that it's still called Node even though you installed Io.js. This is for compatibility reasons. So once you have this, now what do you do? So Node is installed in your machine, and so what you need to do is open up a terminal. So we're going to go here and click on Spotlight, and you can just start typing terminal and open that up. So from here, we can see if we have Node running by typing the word node-v, and let's see if we can get the version. There we go. Now we know we have 1.63 running on our machine. We're going to create a project, and I'm going to create mine here in this folder. I'm going to type cd documents /www and go to that folder, and then I'm going to type mkdir for make directory, and we'll just name it my project. It can be whatever you like. And then we're going to cd and go into that folder. Now, what also comes with Node is a command called npm, and this is for installing Node packages from npm. So with this, we want to just get our project set up. So an easy way is to type npm init for initialize, and this will ask us a bunch of different little questions. And at this point, it doesn't really matter, so you can just hit through all of these. And what this will do, we're going to type ls to list everything in our directory. What this will do is it will create a package.json file for us, preloaded with some handy stuff. Now, once you're at this point, you probably want to start writing some JavaScript that you can run in Node. And you're going to need a text editor to do that. A text editor that's really nice that I recommend, and it's also written in Node, is called Atom. And so if you go to atom.io, you can go there and download it for Mac or for Windows or Linux, and install it there. And it's a really nice program, really nice text editor. You can either load it from your applications once it's installed, or just type atom dot to mean the current directory to open up this current project with Atom. Okay, so once we have our project open, we can take a look at our package.json. My package.json has a little bit different than probably what yours does, just because I have a different init script. But none of that's really important at this point. So from here, what we can do is we can create a file. Let's just create a file called index.js. And let's just do a simple console log, because we just want to log something to the console, hi, and save that file. And then from here, we can type the word node, and then we give it our file name, which is index.js that we just created. And we can run that through Node, and we can see it says hi. So that's how we know everything's working. But what if we want to use Node to get a quick client-side setup, where we just, we want to play with JavaScript in the browser really quickly? There's some nice libraries for that, and so we can install them using npm. So we say npm install, and the two libraries that we'll need are called Budo, B-U-D-O, and Watchify. And then at the end of this, I'm going to say --save--dev. And what this will do is it will save this to our package.json. So now you see that it has it listed here in our dev dependencies. So the next time we go and if we have our package is already here in the dev dependencies. Next time, all we have to do is just type npm install, and it will automatically go through and install those without having to say the specific package names over and over and over. So now that we have Budo and Watchify installed, we have this script section of our package.json. And this is a way to automate things through npm. And so we can configure Budo right now by just saying in this npm start script, we can say Budo, and then we're going to give it the name of our file that we're going to run. And then we're going to say live, because we want to have live edits. So we're going to save that. And so now we can run this by saying npm start. And this will start up a little server, and we can go here to our browser, and it starts up a server on port 9966. And we can see, if we look in our console here, that we get the console message hi, same as Node.js. So now from here, we can change this hi to test, and when we hit save, you'll notice that our console message changes to the word test. So from here, we can do all sorts of things. Maybe we want to change the body and background color. We can do that by saying document.body.style background color equals red. And now our background color is red. Or maybe we want to alert a hi. And now we'll get an alert box that says hi. So from here, we can quickly make edits into our JavaScript and have it reflected right here in our browser window. And so we can rapidly prototype up something. So hopefully this has gotten you a good workflow to write some client-side and server-side JavaScript. If you want to see more, just please like and subscribe the videos. And thanks again for watching.